is my most difficult customer that I've ever had happened to be out of an aerospace company looking at repair technology. And he was an extremely bright guy who challenged every single thing that any engineer ever did for him. And therefore he was considered to be impossible to work with. So it was a combative exercise, but at the end of the day, it was two-sided. From my side, it was very important for me to understand what he needed to present to his boss, because he was trying to provide a unified picture of how we were moving the technology forward. And from my side, he needed to understand the skill sets that I was bringing to the table to solve his problem. As we worked down that path, we were extremely successful. We brought very, very good technology into the marketplace. With that said, I was one of the few guys who could work with him, because having that kind of patience and tolerance to understand your customer is something that often is a developed skill, and that's something as we engineers that we have to do.